Hey, what's up guys? Mga ka-auto, Joven again from Auto Prime Car Trading. And today, I'm with Randy and Mary Ann from Los Angeles, California, USA, one of our solid follower. So, how are you, sir?
Good, good.
How are you?
doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
They are going to purchase this Honda Accord 2010 model. So, by the way, Randy, why did you choose Auto Prime Car Trading to purchase your everyday car?
This is the best place on earth to purchase a vehicle.
And it's a good quality for that car.
Wow, good to hear that.
Uh-huh.
And how's the car upon checking?
Oh, it's very good. It's a Honda, and you get a lot of miles on a Honda. Can't go wrong.
And besides the car, you will also get an Auto Prime merchandise. That will be our Auto
Oh.
Prime cup.
Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat.
Yes, an Auto Prime t-shirt. Christmas gift from Auto Prime Car Trading.
Oh, thank you, Mo. Thank you for this is good souvenir for Honda. Almo.
So guys, alam niyo na, pag basta Auto Prime sigurado,
Yes.
quality ang mga cars
I love
namin.
this car. It's a good.
So alam niyo na guys,
Okay.
basta second hand quality cars.
Auto Prime, mo
Auto
yan.
Prime muna yan.
Alright.
Yay.
So
Good.
enjoy your new ride. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Have a
Thank
safe trip.
Oh,
Okay, thank you.
Almo. Thank
Guys,
you.
kita-kits tayo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Salamat. Thank you.
Located kami dito sa BF Resort, Las Piñas. Waze nyo lang, Auto Prime Car Trading. Pwede nyo rin kaming i-check sa aming social media platform. Pwede nyo rin kaming tawagan sa aming number or i-PM sa Telegram, Viber, or Messenger.